Hey there guys, and welcome to Sam's Tech. On my screen right now you can see that I've got blurry text, and so in today's video I'm going to teach you how to get rid of this blurry text. Here you can also see that I've got blurry text here too. So it's pretty simple to get rid of this blurry text. So to get rid of this blurry text, you have to go into your start menu and type in clear type, and then you can see that the utility has just arrived. Open up that utility and make sure that you have turned on clear type, which most probably it will automatically be turned on, but if it's not, make sure that you've turned on clear type and click next. And then make sure that your display monitor is set to its native resolution and click next. And now here on this text sample on the right is more kind of blurred when compared to the text sample on the left. So make sure that you've selected the left one and click next. And here click the text sample that looks the best to you. I'm going to select the ones that look best to me. And click finish, and now you can see that everything is clear. So I think that this video was helpful for you. If you really did find my video helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll meet you in another video. Bye.